Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making mango habanero baked chicken. Guys, if you've never tried this one, you just have to try this recipe, okay? Guys, if you're new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please do so. Hit the notification bell. Please share and like, comment on this video. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Guys, I promise you just have to try this recipe. So these are the list of our ingredients that we will be using today for this amazing recipe, and it will be listed in the description box, all right, along with the measurements. I have some chicken bouillon, some smoked paprika, some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, a little bit of Cajun seasoning, some onion powder, honey and garlic powder, parsley, some ranch seasoning and some mango powder, and some ground thyme. Now to my Ninja Bullet, I washed and diced half of a ripe mango, and I'm adding 2 whole habanero peppers, half of a medium diced onion, and a little bit of garlic chili oil, and we will blend this until it's nice and smooth. Alright, so to my bowl I'll be adding a little bit of oil, and you can use any oil here. And I'm adding the dry ingredients here. We'll actually be combining everything together. I'm also going in with a little bit of yellow mustard, and we will mix everything in together. Now I'm using some of my mango habanero sauce I made, and I'm using about half a cup. Now mix that in well also, and my house green seasoning. I mean, if you don't have green seasoning, guys, that is just fine. Now I'll pour this all over my chicken thighs, and we will marinate this really well. Make sure to use a pair of gloves, guys, because the marinade is kind of spicy. We will let this sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. So it has been about an hour. Guys, this chicken smells amazing. So we will pour this out into a pan, and then we will get all that delicious marinade right on top of the chicken. Now I'll add a few pieces of diced onion right over the top, and this is optional, but as I mentioned, I really love onions, and this also will give it extra flavor. And then I'm going in with fresh diced mango, and this is ripe mango, guys. It's really sweet. In some of that sauce, you'll just drizzle that right over, cover with a foiled paper. And so I actually forgot I needed to put my red bell peppers, so I'm gonna place that there, and that actually gives a really good flavor also. And there it is. After 45 minutes to 50 minutes, this is what our chicken looks like. It is super juicy. It is flavorful. Oh my gosh, guys, please make this one. Now it's time for us to plate. And guys, you can actually eat this with, I did cilantro and lime rice with that, or you can just eat it as is, or however you choose or desire to eat it. Look at that amazing sauce. Awesome. And I did garnish, and that is what it looks like after I'm done plating it and garnishing. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so amazing. Mango habanero juiciest baked chicken. Look at that, guys. It just fall right off the bone. This was one delicious bite. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell, like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you guys for spending the time with me today. Do enjoy. Bye bye. See you next time.